Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we will conclude this chapter, the print culture. Our today's topic is fear of people regarding the easily available printed books. Easily available printed books created the possibility of wide circulation of ideas. When we have, as we discussed yesterday, when we have avenues, when we have these available resources, the printed books and other documents, it always paved the path for the circulation of ideas, ideologies, the inner feelings. Some people welcomed this change. What change? The change of printed books, which created a new sense among the people, especially among the youth. Some people welcomed this change, whereas some people expressed apprehensions about the devices or the diverse effects of it. The people who feared the effect were the ones who held some power, whether in religion, caste, politicus, class, or society. The fear was that their power and authority gained mass popularity. Ignorance, when there is less avenues, these less resources, the powerful people, the bureaucrats, and the people who are in government, they exploit the rights and they hardly take the care of people as a whole. So when nowadays you see the advantages of this press, ایک معمولی سا واقعہ اگر ہو کسی بھی جگہ پورے ورلڈ میں، تو ود ان نو ٹائم وہ سرکولیٹ ہو جاتا ہے پرنٹ میڈیا کے ذریعے، الیکٹرانک میڈیا کے ذریعے، سوشل میڈیا کے ذریعے، تو دنیا کے کونے کونے تک خبر پہنچ جاتی ہے. تو یہ پاور ہے پریس کا، یہ پاور ہے میڈیا کا. تو جو لوگ اقتدار کے بوتے ہوتے ہیں، جو لوگ یہ لوگوں کو کنفائن کرتے ہیں، وہ ایسی چیزوں سے پرہیز کرتے ہیں. ان کے لیے اگر ایسی ڈیولپمنٹ ہو تو یہ ان کے لیے پریشانی کا ہی باعث بن جاتا ہے. Like in Europe, the Roman Catholic Church tried to curb the printed books through the Index of Prohibited Books, through the Index of Prohibited Books. In India, the Vernacular Press Act imposed restrictions on Indian press and various local newspapers. Also, some religious leaders and some people from upper classes expressed their fear. So, partially we can say that some people partially helped or supported the press, and some people were against and they had their own interests, and that is why they feared this process of press. So, dear students, you see that nowadays as well, some people use this social media and other electronic media or press without any hesitation, while various people, the majority of the people, hesitate to utilize this service for their internal or for their well-known interests. So, dear students, this was our concluding lesson of print culture. Let us go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.